I'm originally from Nottingham, so I grew up there, and then I came down to London and I just decided I was going to kind of explore my sexuality in a bigger place.
How did you find support, and what did the people around you say at the time when you were coming out and you were going through this change and you were expressing yourself and you were finding yourself? Like, what was the mood of the people around you?
As she's now getting a little bit older, we've started getting some books and started trying to have conversations with her about kind of how she came to be. We conceived her through IVF using a sperm donor.
And how does having a child affect your dating?
Yeah, that's probably the bigger thing, because some people obviously, you know, don't want to date someone with a child, and it's not super accessible for all queer people to have children right now. I think that's going to change. There's been some legislation and a case has been won.
Do you ever see yourself falling into heteronormative cycles or heteronormative practices?